Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College, Nagercoil. News for the month of June 2023. June 19 to 20, 2023. The academic year 23-24 begins. The classes for the senior students of the college for the odd semester began on June 19, 2023. All fresh entrants to the college in the undergraduate and postgraduate courses, along with their parents, assembled at Jubilee Hall on June 20, 2023 for a special meet. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college, welcomed the parents and students, and Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi congratulated the parents for having chosen Holy Cross College as the destination of their children's education. In her address, the principal shed light on the rules and regulations to be followed and the conduct to be upheld by the freshers of the college. A documentary about the features and facilities available at the college was screened on the occasion. The joint report of the activities of the Parent Teachers Association was presented by Dr. Anthony Prakash Babila, the coordinator of Parent Teachers Association, Mr. Maria Justin, the president of the Parents Teachers Association, and Mr. Rajendra Prasad, the executive member of the Parent Teachers Association, offered their felicitations. The inaugural session of the academic year came to a close with a colorful cultural performance by the students. The event was coordinated by Dr. Idal Queen and Dr. Leslie Fatima, the Dean of Students. June 20 to 28, 2023. Student Induction Program, SIP. The Internal Quality Assurance Cell of our college organized a student induction program on the college premises from June 20 through June 28, 2023. All fresh entrants to the undergraduate and postgraduate courses were taken on a campus tour and participated in talent search and traditional games. In the skill-based sessions, the students were exposed to arts and crafts. In the fitness and wellness session on yoga and Zumba, the students were motivated to pursue wellness in addition to academics. The takeoff with spoken English session refreshed the language skills previously learned at school. All freshers were also introduced to their courses of study by their respective departments. The Student Induction Program SIP was coordinated by the Director of IQAC, Dr. Jimsi Asha, and her team members. ISO 9001-2015 certification. The college received the ISO 9001-2015 certification for its effectiveness and efficiency in teaching and learning practices. June 24, 2023. A state-level seminar on effective implementation practice ISO 9001-2015 QMS. The Internal Quality Assurance Cell IQAC organized a state-level seminar on effective implementation practice ISO 9001-2015. In her introductory talk, Dr. Sister Sahaya Selvi, the principal of the college, unveiled the theme of the academic year 23-24. Focusing on outcome-based education, Industry 4.0, patents and publishing. Dr. Sister Mary Gilda, the secretary of the college, acknowledged the contribution of all stakeholders towards successful ISO certification. In the forenoon session, the resource person, Mr. Karthikeyan, lead auditor ITAS Madurai, discussed in his talk the background and overview of ISO 9001-2015 certification. The state-level seminar concluded with a post-lunch session on the maintenance of records and measures to sustain the ISO certification. June 27 and 30, 2023. Student Council Election. The first phase of the Student Council election was conducted on June 27, 2023. In the introductory session, all candidates were apprised of the fundamental traits of a good leader by Dr. Jenny Padua and Dr. Sister Lima Rose. A 30-second self-introduction, group task, and written test followed. In the second phase of the election on June 30, 2023, after an interview session and voting by the students, results were announced. The external experts, Dr. Bernard Chandra, retired Professor of Commerce at St. Xavier's College, Palayam Kotte, Dr. Jessie Isabella, retired Head of the Department of Commerce at Holy Cross College, Nagercoil, and Sister Nirmala, former headmisters of Holy Cross Anglo-Indian School, Thuthukudi, judged the performance of the candidates supervised the election and announced the results. Ms. Shimarna of 3rd BA English SF was elected President. Ms. Mary Ashani of 3rd BSc Max Aided was elected Vice President. Ms. Aurike Sandra of 2nd BCom Aided was elected Secretary. All arrangements and coordination required for the election were made by Dr. Mabel Edel Queen and Dr. Leslie Fatima, the Dean of Students. June 30, 2023. Distribution of seed balls. On June 30, 2023, a seed ball distribution event was organized by the Department of History. Dr. Jalaja Kumari, the head of the department, felicitated the organizers and distributed the seed ball to 65 beneficiaries. The event was coordinated by Dr. Suji, Assistant Professor of History, to sensitize the students and faculty members about the role of seeds in improving green cover, the importance of seed preservation, and the purpose of seed distribution. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues into each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.